We are at IKEA picking up the guest bed and maybe a chair. Who knows?
In the words of that crazy Roman emperor from that movie we watched last night, we'll see when the gods decide.
Gladiator 2. That's what we watched last night. It was pretty good. This is my first time filming in public, and yeah. Feels weird. I'm also scared of escalators, so that was terrifying. Boom! We're trying to solve the issue of not having a dining room, really. We have a dining room space, but it needs to also be our pantry. So we are being creative with IKEA currently, and we're not doing any of this stuff today. It's going to be more in the summer, but trying to plan is hard and stressful.
Funny story. We intended to buy this bed and found a metal framed for half the price that we bought and forgot to film. Oopsie daisies. Enjoy!
I almost fell like 4 times. Oh my god, look, it's the Colosseum. Isn't that in Paris?
She's making fun of me because I called the Eiffel Tower something.
The Statue of Liberty, the Eiffel Tower.
Yeah, exactly. The Eiffel Tower.
Oh.
Fever dream of a dog. I made a dog and I don't know what dogs look like, yeah. Good morning. We are taking Zelda to go walk by the water and get coffee. I don't know what she's doing. Anyway, we're about to load her up. Ah, there's a table saw in my way. You want to go see your bear? This bear is kind of like a fundamental part of our relationship with where we live. We love this bear. Isn't he beautiful?
Washington is actually one of the first places we went to the first like weekend we moved here and stayed here for more than 2 days at a time. We came on a Sunday and absolutely everything was closed except a little coffee shop that we deemed our favorite until our favorite barista decided to just stop showing up. So we haven't been, but Washington still rings true. Cause I was looking at you and you were looking at me. My dog's gonna choke herself on her lead.
Good one.
Thank you, I spit bars.
Yeah, you rhyming.
We have a whole house. Much better than it was previously. No hot water. Living at the motel every other weekend.
Yeah, it's a whole lot better now.
And you're my favorite person, you know that. I've had a million different ways planned and I can't ever think of it right, so I think you're the most amazing person ever and I want to spend the rest of my life with you. Will you do me the honor of marrying me and spending the rest of your life with me too?
My heart's pounding.
Mine too.
Yeah. Yes. Yeah.
I'm shaking.
I love it. It's gorgeous and it fits me. How's it look on me?
Gorgeous. Much better than I.
Ah, we're recording. How does it look on me? Let me see the box. I didn't even see it. My brain was stupid.
Perfect.
It was perfect.
I had been planning it and thinking it, and every time it gets ruined, and so long I've been planning this. I've probably thought about doing it for the last 3 weekends in a row, but every time I get too nervous and I can't think of the right words, and I missed half of the words that I had planned out. I've been dreaming of it and planning of this for weeks. You make me the happiest girl in the world.
I'm a pretty girl now.
You are. I expected you to behave better for me.
Yeah, she said absolutely not.
No.
Jade's moving the truck so we can unload the haul from IKEA because we got back late, so we just kind of went to bed late. We got home at like 6 p.m. and bedtime is at 7:30, 8 o'clock latest. So yeah, that was a late night for us. I can't believe I got engaged today. We're engaged. We got engaged today.
Very fun experience, very nerve-wracking, 10 out of 10. Would do it again.
So yeah, that's the end of the vlog. Thanks so much for watching, and
Zelda, where are you going?
Zelda, too far. Why are you in the woods? She's all the way in the woods.
Zelda, come.
What are you doing in the woods?
Don't worry about it. I didn't go far. I've been right here the whole time. I'm gonna go back to my yard.
What do you guys think?
I think she's a pretty girl.
Anyway, see ya.